Hello, everyone. How are you doing? This is Dave Bondy. We are coming on the air right now on YouTube, giving you some breaking news involving President Biden's vaccine mandate and testing mandate. It is on. It is back on. It is in play right now. Go ahead and follow me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the subscribe button right down there, and you can learn more about what's going on. So this just coming in. Yeah, this just coming in, breaking news just moments ago. An appeals court in Cincinnati has ruled that President Biden's vaccine and testing mandate will go on. Now, there were other federal courts that said no, that it's unconstitutional. But this appeals court out of Cincinnati just a short time ago, they said that it is legal and that it is allowed to happen. So I'm going to bring up an article right now from midmichigannow.com, and you can look at this and you can learn more. I'm going to go into depth with you and tell you all about this and what it means to you. So stay with me. Don't go anywhere. What this means, a court has allowed the Biden mandate for private employers to take effect. The appeals court allows the Biden vaccine mandate to take effect. That's the news we're getting right now. That's all that's coming in. Now, I'm going to try to find a little more information, but here's the deal. Here's what we're talking about. Basically, if you work for a company that has 100 or more employees, you will have to get a COVID-19 vaccine, or you will have to be tested weekly. And you may have to be paying for that test. So that information is coming out just now. There were several federal courts that struck this down, and many thought it was not going to happen. But now an appeals court has ruled that it looks like it is happening. And let me bring up, I have an article here, some wording from, this is from foxnews.com. It was a 2-1 ruling, the U.S. Appeals Court for the Sixth Circuit, that the Biden administration can enforce the policy using OSHA. They say, recognizing that the old normal is not going to return, employers and employees have sought new models for a workplace that will protect safety and health employees. This was written by a judge appointed by Barack Obama. So the opinion was written by an appointee of Barack Obama, former President Barack Obama. This is the judge that made this decision. One of the judges that made this decision, the judge that wrote the opinion that I'm looking at right here. So a lot of people are asking if it comes to politics. That's what we're dealing with right now. So the Biden vaccine mandate forces companies with 100 employees or more to require that their workers be vaccinated against COVID-19 or submit to weekly testing. And it looks like now that is going to happen. Now, there is a chance that this, I believe, I'll have to do a little more research. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that this can be possibly overturned to the next level. The Supreme Court could get this case. The Supreme Court could opt not to hear the case. And if that happens, if the Supreme Court does not take this case, or if the Supreme Court takes the case and they rule against, or they rule for the Biden administration, that means that by January 4th, if you work for a company that has 100 or more employees, and you have not got a vaccine, or you do not get tested weekly, you will be fired. You will be out of a job. My name's Dave Bondy. I keep it real. I keep it unbiased. I'm not giving my opinion. It's my job to just give you the information. It's your job to make your own decisions. I'm going to let you go. Follow my YouTube page. Go to midmichigannow.com. I have the article listed in this YouTube video so you can learn a lot more about this and what is going on. Thank you for watching, everyone.